Choices that can be made in the renovation or extension process that are specifically for long-term benefit. There's all sorts of videos out there offering sort of top tips for when you're renovating to stay on trend. Number one, I know it's not very sexy, energy efficient upgrades. Add in as much insulation as you can possibly squeeze in the roof, walls and floor as you possibly can. Yes, it's going to be a more expensive initial outlay, but the cost benefits you're going to see in the long term are going to be huge. You'll really feel it in your energy bills as the years trudge on. Windows and doors, if you can go triple glazed, they are expensive, but again, you will definitely feel the benefit financially. Solar panels, if you're renovating or extending, investing in solar panels, not only to reduce your energy bills, but they also add value to your property. These energy efficient upgrades add to the value of your property because they reduce the occupant's energy bills. It's actually helpful to think of these as an investment rather than an additional cost. Number two, invest in the functionality of the spaces. Now, the primary one here is kitchen. If you could invest in high quality cabinetry and decent kitchen design at the start, first of all, the bare bones of the kitchen, you can just upgrade the doors and the handles and the worktops sort of as trends progress. Next, if it's designed in a really smart way from the start, you're going to be using that kitchen every single day, so it's just not going to be frustrating to use. You'll actually find it a pleasure to use the room when cooking and washing the dishes and all that stuff, rather than being frustrated all the time at things being in weird positions. My third tip is splurge in only specific areas. Now, they say in your wardrobe you should sort of invest underwear, jeans and boots. I would say in your house it's your bed, your coffee machine and your bathroom. You're going to be using these things every single day, and if you can avoid sort of little frustrations, it's going to really improve your life and just the quality of them because they're used every day. A double vanity unit or a massive walk-in power shower is always going to feel luxurious to you and you're going to use it every day. In the same vein, a bath that's a bit too small or a shower that sort of dribbles down your back is always going to feel frustrating. So just early on, make those choices and you'll reap the rewards daily. Splurge a bit of extra money if you can. You'll be really glad you did. The last one, it's kind of boring, but as you get older, it's just worth thinking about if this is your forever home and you want to stay there for as long as possible, just think about things you may need on the ground floor. So just, if you've got the space when installing a downstairs WC, could it possibly be a wet room? The same goes for maybe a separate lounge area. Could it potentially be a bedroom if it needed to be later on? So that's it for today. I hope that was really helpful and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.